In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change from portrait to landscape in Canva. If you've ever created a design in Canva and then realized that the page is the wrong orientation, don't worry. You don't have to start over. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to take an existing portrait design and turn it into a landscape layout using Canva's built-in resize feature. First, open Canva and load the design you want to change. Make sure it's fully open in the main editor, not just in the thumbnail view on your homepage. You should see your canvas in the center, with your tools on the left and a bar running across the top of the screen. Now, look toward the left side of that top bar. You'll see a button labeled Resize. Go ahead and click on that. This opens a panel or drop-down that shows different size options. Among these, find and select Custom Size. This is where Canva displays the exact width and height of your current design, along with the unit of measurement, such as pixels, inches, or millimeters. Right now, your design is in portrait. That simply means the height is greater than the width. To convert it to landscape, all you need to do is swap those two numbers. Take the existing width value and type it into the height box, then take the existing height value and type it into the width box. Keep the same units so you don't accidentally scale the design up or down. You're only changing the orientation. Once you've swapped the width and height, look at the options at the bottom of the resize panel. Canva will usually give you two choices: copy and resize, which creates a new separate design in the new size, or resize, which changes the size of the design you're currently working on. For this example, choose the option that resizes this design directly. After you click it, Canva will take a moment to process. You might see the editor reload or briefly go blank. This can take a little while, especially for larger designs or slower connections, so just give it a bit of time to finish. When the editor finishes reloading, your canvas will now be in landscape orientation. Your content may shift slightly, so take a moment to zoom out, review everything, and adjust any elements that need minor repositioning. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Canva design from portrait to landscape without starting from scratch.